Human methods have always been particularly noteworthy for being overkill. Admiral Talon flipped through several pictures on the large projected screen behind him. The Battle of Yavin 5. Humans called it light bombardment. The picture behind him depicted 5 battlecruisers in orbit, all simultaneously firing orbital artillery toward the terrorist stronghold known as the Keep. Over 2 megatons worth of ordnance were dropped on a 50-square-mile area. When questioned about the severity of their methods, human ambassadors frowned in confusion and stated, "That's just the nature of orbital fire support." A screenshot of a human news website flashed behind the admiral. The bombardment was so trivial that it was little more than a footnote under a footnote titled, "Human Volunteers Aid in Peacekeeping Operations." For those who were not alive 100 years ago, the Keepers of the Sacred Word, as they called themselves, were the most dangerous terrorist cell the galaxy had seen in over half a century. To the humans, they were little more than a fly to be swatted. One of the most infamous pictures of all time was the next to be presented on, a human soldier onlooking the ruins of the entire city of New Calanti. A small armada of frigates lingered over the city's smoldering corpse while blasting autocannon fire at anything that dared peek its head out of the rubble. Despite all of this destruction, the soldier appeared to be entirely relaxed. Her rifle was swung over her shoulders, and she rested lazily against a tree. It is reported that this lone human soldier had been part of the first wave of drop troopers to make landfall around New Calanti. According to both human and independent reports, the soldier managed to kill at least 57 enemy combatants single-handedly before being evacuated from the surface. Shortly after this photo was taken, the entire city of New Calanti and everything within a 200-mile radius of it was turned to glass by nuclear warheads. A picture of a human lawyer in court appeared on the screen. The Galactic Council tried to try the humans for war crimes. The human lawyer pointed out 2 things that were enough to get the trial dismissed immediately. 1, the Galactic Council themselves called upon humanity to deal with the Calantian issue, and 2nd, several deadly viruses were released from the New Calanti Biological Research Facility in an attempt to drive off human forces. The lawyer put it best, arguing that humanity was faced with the prospect of losing a city or losing an entire planet. We chose to destroy the city before it could destroy itself.